Mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV, welcome to another Saturday. Gehoka weekend yaku ikoretwo iri sabamba kana ĩ sabamba, and your week has been fantastic. Haya, tabarĩra nĩ Ngatha Ciitu gĩkũnyita ũgeni ngetwo Bill hanya gũthiĩ na ndikĩrĩ wiki ndĩna mũruna wakwa
ni hakwa getka kairetu kama thako that sports girl mundu gitwo Wambui wa Njau ni weekend ngeithwe nawe ataiko tugitongana makiria kurogegeraniria na ithuĩ nenda-inĩ citu ciothe cio kinyaniria akuria mwena wa Muthingi TV. Karibuni sana.
Now dredo muthi ujiri atiriri ni maundu mariku mawe you wish you knew when you finished high school, university, college.
High school tukima high school ri arimu aria twathuire ri ni tuona hata mateciragia first of all ni tuona hata mateciragia because tukima mundu ugaga atiriri no ndacoka kugira kigeranio ngoka guko na V8 Gishoka goko thimu ngakorwo na beta
iPhone
gukira mwarimu hau niki amenyaga
na gaturituri
alafu maisha magitwirania chie huyu. I wish I knew giumare it's that I wish I knew that life doesn't hard ndithiaga uria we ubangaga life ithiaga na uria mwene nyaga aragubangira
wagerire kiria results shaku na kinu twira tu
guy ndathomagira kuria Nyandarua account ndathire kuria na nuclear kuma hau nginya Nyahururu kuma hau nginya kiria ngithie na turaga V8 reke tuge V8 kidogo ni agire atekana gicoka turikora arimu aria tweraga ni tukagira na kiria ri metwetereire staff room maturoragio aya moti
ni wakai
motinoka na V8 alafu ithu tukigira kigeranio ri twathire I think ndimenya kwari na event yake but kulikuwa na event tondu twathire hakuhi thuothe like the three streams ithu twari three streams so ina 4A 4B 4C 4A na 4C matiguanaga because 4A ri yari na ciana hehu ura ciretwo cool kids 4A yari ya ciana hehu cool kids 4C twari ho ithu twari banga 4B dio ma describe because they were not out there but ni mari na kagrupu kawe kariho
mari ahoreru matienda maundu mai
kuhorera pase they were not so nini but ti andu maumukanite ti andu ngoro ciao ciatherete ingikiuga ti andu ngoro ciao ciari mumukani exactly Riu twagithire ithuothe na ithuothe ndiakionire mundu wokire na private means
mwathire nyothe class yote mukira na muthie mugira
die yari event I think yari event ya kumakana yari event yake ndimenya yari event yake but tulikuwa twari ithuothe and looking at life back then na uria andu makiugaga ri uria my boyfriend win aya madetaga ndwa campus ithu twamakaga ma because ndari okanini ndariga go
that's funny kama kioneke
uradetete mundu wa campus man you know I used to see mundu uradete mundu wa university and always high school ndariga wo urautire ko mundu wa campus twagithire ithuothe na matatu ndionire mundu twathire kwanja na turaga ndionire mundu wothe wakire na kiria
funniest for me ni ona ndiagerire tini ndegereire
wagerirwo no
ndagerirwo ni mamu itu not that atene ndaugite ati ngagiraga na iPhone ngagiraga na ke no oguo tu like niwe wari ari hakuhi so she was the best means possible ya kuya
na gukurehera
ni ndiari na but for me I think kindu kiria I wish I knew re ndarikia cukuru ni ati no one cares what you do with their life utire mundu wina rugi ati wona ta wa post bisha ta andu magutinda hau makiuga riu nikiga kaga postire riu nikiga ikarite o riu nikiga hurite o
no andu ni maba kumaka because especially iyo rejia kuma kiria kuma high school for 2 or 3 years andu ni maba kumaka because you see how you are in school after 2 years ni ukarealize I was not this person ni ukaginya we mwenyewe ukabia kwemenya because look at the choice of songs you used to listen we high school not the choice of songs you listen now the kidogo in as much as they are the same kwenye bona uri kagori urenda ireroroke you see there are clothes you used to like we kiria we shukuru, right now they don't even impress you at all.
Yeah, true.
They are even the choice of your friends that you used to keep. Probably
how her friends, mostly I think, most of the time tokoragwo friends in adoige because you have something in common.
Yeah.
At the moment kaudu kamwina ko in common gago kaguthirari realize so we were not even that close.
Yeah.
Kaudu gaka trali na ko in common kala tukipaga together.
Yeah. Then you have to grow some behaviors because there's something that is keeping us together. To grow some behavior kona this is not the person I am.
Konsa igekorwa atirere you know we are different. Yeah. You are social, I'm not social. You are outgoing, I'm not outgoing. Ukorori most of the time unapenda social activities. Niye dadiganwo nani. I want to be left alone. Not where he goes the other that oh, let's do this. No, let's go sijui wapi.
Funny thing. Funny thing about me being social.
Ndiraigwa kiria.
Nginya thaa mwitu ni amakaga. My mom nginya githie gwika kiria githie goka nigetha njoke kuingira campus she was like ndagwire journalism. My mom was like please I want you to sit down, think about it, because mimi kuma primary nginya haha turathi goka gucagura kiria ri hatuka gucagura courses iria urenda gwika ri I was not that person who was out there. Dari mundu very kiria nginya thaa ndirigagwo wow no hota gukuroga mambere yandu ndina coco witu nginya thaa ici the moment ndamugeithirie ngimura coco agurire kiheo
niki
because I was that shy girl. I was ever ndire na uru ndire na uru etagwo coco wa karathi ndamugeithirie guna ngimurona na tukiaria ngimura na tukie na uru itho turi okwo akinjuria wambui niwe agita gukaito before then gukaito ndagithiete akihurukite ukakimwira ona ndiramaka ogura maka because kuri wambui cio I was the shy like ndigiarugamire mbere ya andu tijarie njuge njitagwo kana njikaga kana ngeithie mundu we talk for like 2 or 3 minutes no. So you see now the friends I had that twakiritaga now because we are here no na that tingikihota kurirate because daici aiwe tobie we go ndire andu-ini andu ni indo
the funniest for me well I've always been shy kinda hanini ogwo no ndire ndahota kuremwo ni kuga uria ndirenda wewe igwa oru ni haku
fata we ni we yaria
fata ni ndauga uria ndirenda na uria urandwara wakondora ngeni ari ni nguga no riu gutukana na andu uguo muno ri ndihotaga na ndiwe niki I don't know. I think ni personality ya mundu because I can't explain it myself. Niona ni jikaraga handu-ini uguo ngaigua ni nogire fiu mundu na uru na nie kandi na uru na mundu but it's draining jua energy yakwa ni very drained ngaigua tu let me just go home enough social activities for the day.
No igwa ni nyendete gutukana na andu ri there are places I'll go and I'll tell you I don't feel okay here because I think we spirits ni menyanaga. There are people who will warm up on you and there are people who will just kan karugo tuge mwena event wewe na event you have friends that I don't know ojire by the way si tag along okay to the event you see for you okorwo tu haha okorwo tu all over do initial because ni andu menyerete for me because ni andu erore me I take my time ni nyamba ngaikara gathoma moyo ngamenya oyo is not a good person.
There's a psychologist who said ugigathie handu wone ati kila mundu like someone is over friendly with you na ndakoya kumenya muthenya wa mbere that person has a problem because kiongo kia mundu ri ngweta ni kiongo kana ni meciria ma mundu makoragwo me programmed in a way that wathi handu hageni na nduri mundu we you take time
to know the person
no ungithie handu ati we all over ga ni omikre friends all of a sudden there's something terribly
apo gotidoki ngoya gukwa ngawi guku ni thie no urokoro event ni andu ni maikarite the people have watu wamekaa tu chini mundu utiatie na mwana kana ki no ni umire haha na thire gukuheherera uria ati ni umire hau he ucio na thire kwi MC agakumwira ati ni umire ikarathi
most of the time gutiaga andu tacio uria ndakura ni personality
aga ni umire ni athire kioro ningi ni acokire afu hindi yori ena iratu iria ciakiria kom karigo niki niyo ke ngure before I get the courage ya kurugama uguo thie aimenya mani I have taken yani jerete hakiri atire there's nothing that can happen. What's the worst can happen? Ikacoka ngera hakiri maitho maya mothe niwe magirire kuona
eguthi na moko utinde ogithirimo
no na ngari ni handu ndirathi handu itoi guguo korwo ati riu ndamenya ati stage ni ndero ni mundu stage ni next ni eno ni mareke ngure ingigeta kiria uhutie makanga uguo mwire ndacukira haria next koguo ndibangire ta stage igire mbere tutamwambia wakinya stage ya mbere
ugeterera oneka
he mundu rarugama ugathie wenge ukauga niki kingi happen afu ndio ngari gutiro racuka
nobe
ukirugama ureciria maitho mothe niwe urathi kuoya Oscar ya gucuka mbere it takes a lot of courage ugikauma kwaja afu ndio wi thutha ugikauma ko thutha ukiharia mbere we ni urete mathabu
I wish I knew ndarikia cukuru ri ni ati the course I did kana the grades I got they don't define me. There is so much more to the world than whatever I got, whatever I studied. Sometimes by the way I wish I knew that tondu rimwe ni ndona wata ni rimwe ni twera gwatiriri kaindo tigeno ucio rathi gucindana nocio ni wa alliance wewe ririkana cukuru kari uthomete ona gatingioneka nginya mapu-ini
nguria ndito primary
ugacoka na hau thutha gekunja ukauga wa yenyewe siezi acha tu niachane nayo
anko yakwa na ningwiraga I think I give you ningweaga story no kiria looking back urieraga mamu itu ri thaici ni mekaga sense aturaga ugaga atiriri we thaici ndagitikira mwana wake eke course ati aratinda agieterera kwandikwo it's a technical course yenye ati athomera artisan niamenya ni aguthi kuhingura ka workshop gake haria akagiria andu ite ni aguthi ni anga ni athomithirie uhoro wa kuruga ni kuhingura mukawa waku ndariga gwatiriri why is my uncle keeping on saying that ati anga ndangithomithia mwana ati anga ndaku nena one ni kiria ni manager wa cukuru ndugarigwo aiko manager wa cukuru arauga uguo ri ithuĩ tũgũkĩrwo atia ciana cia wakulima wandu agũtũkwĩrwo atia but looking back thaici ri it's true especially the economy we are in and especially with the structure ya uria maundu marathie thaici ri ni andu igana mekite journalism na matiri na mawira
aingi muno
ni andu igana mekite engineering thaici na matiri na mawira how many bankers out there wigua mundu anga areka arendia matunda it's not a bad thing it's a very good thing but ugigathie uthikiriria andu ugithikiriria stories cia andu aria me out there people who are doing minor jobs mawira maya andu makaga ati mahana ta makunyarara if you look at them no morie umaikarie thi omahoe stories ciao you'll be surprised andu acio ni athomu nginya gugukira andu acio ni athomu nginya gukira andu aya mena PhD wathikiriria kuma story ya kuma primary akarigwo wow you got this but life happens
na and the good thing about it ni ati ukoraga andu aya ari they made peace with it ukoraga mundu ucio ni aiganirire fiu ona ngimwira atiriri rutha icio ngiona wira in a better bank to get a central bank no utige wira uyu ya kwirasha besha iria nyonaga cia o muthenya ri
itigigana cia mweri utigiterere mweri
ndangihota gweterera ati o mweri
ndikana ngikuhe nginya story ya riri ya the bank ora waugire ni ndaigani oro wa banking agithie ku bake and looking back at it tukona atiriri enye mundu ni afuate kiria ni afuate passion another thing I wish I knew is that I don't have to really wait for my ati career yakwa niwe kaheke niwe gutura ikaga ati niwe gutura enifindaga kwiragwo gutire mbeca ngarange nduthia kuriha ngari ukerwo icio
shakune cia mutura rudi
tukiriha oko turariha ngari oko turariha commodity supermarket ciothe ciukaga confirmed you've sent now magaika ati maka receive confirmed you have received key. And looking back at this, because especially the people who will always be like, ndathomeire kina ni ndingikona there's a girl atumirwo kiria tuge for example ekite journalism ndio tidakigwa kiria ekite kehuthire journalism to niyo turage practice ekite journalism murata wake akamwira atiriri kwina wira fulani but the wira ni wa sales ndokiogerie because putting in mind for you have a good tongue kuna ndo me good tongue magikwendaria ginya ciana
kanwa shamba
magikwendaria ginya mwana no gore mti yangu
maguta
ndoke ugerie sales ukigeragia sales ugeterera ke marwa maku mari uragithie na mbere gutuma arime ke atia ma approve asha digekeo nie anye ndiromeire yo you see the fear especially I think most of the people ale makoragwo na kiria ya digeka kindu kinare ikoragwo the fear of starting riu ngwambia guthii ngwambia riu kwambia atia
iginya kuona atariri riu andu mamari atwathoma nao mariugaga atia ngai
exactly atiri mwana mundu agora bara ukariganirwo atiriri na gukora bara hwaini ri ni ari yoka gukuheiria kwire hi by the way mani nyonire mani we bara ndauga mani
dari
Dona mani hario kinyete mani thina uretanio nawe kwanyu ndauga another thing I wish I knew is that sometimes blood doesn't make you family. Loyalty is what makes you family.
It doesn't.
You know, we all had the knee of ati digiwo ati digemaka tof tondu ni aitu digemaka tof tondu ni ka
ati gairu tata witu ariuga ati na nitwahitanirie na ngania Shosho witu maakuga ati ona ati dina ka family gathering na andu othe ni mokire no itanoka kemauge
ne meko me that year I'm for the idea of if the table that I'm in if my family, and I mean my immediate family, that's my brothers, my sisters, my father, my mother, if they're the topic of discussion, I'm not staying in that table.
This discussion don't at TikTok ikiuga atiriri ugithie riu takondore nituge tata wanyu mwana wake na birthday ni wa invite wa birthday nao akuragia atiriri na niki utari na namba yakwa utasivite namba yakwa
we niki utari na yakwa
were why mbona mtoto wako hana namba ya mama yangu
thank you kindu kingithuire na kiria okay ndimeonaga it's a very bad behavior I would put it this way ati nituoka God forbid nitwakwirwo that's when we are meeting and then hede yo twa mitire nigo muro ya thimu mwambie gwiko from WhatsApp group mugabanga ginya kiama uria muri githiaga na mukerana atiriri twimitaga nga second Tuesday of Angake which is okay after muma no mwase nduka mathiko-ini mau uguo mayangai mugacemania ringi kwa kuo ringi kana kwina event ingi na kwage na event ya gikeno tiothe magoka
this kiria kuria andu ginya makoragwo na mutugo wa riri ogorauga kwina family gathering umuthi tugathi kwanyu after like tugagio thaiti guthwo cio thago umuthi tugathi kwanyu after like 2 months ama 3 months mugoka gwitu ithu tugagioka kwanyu nyuothe
turi ithuothe kwanja turumaniriire ta
ni gwakinya ni gwitu ri mutingioneka
it's true by the way it happens
very busy you guys ministry mtoto alikuwa ni mgonjwa hatuwezi make ucio akauga ni araimirwo rutha wira-ini ucio akauga ona muthuri ekire
no kwanyu gugiokwo ri
ai guthie kwao ri it becomes a very big issue eginya irariririo kiria on the family table ego gitwika wako ni kiamo tarenda ukiuge
guy yokira eginya tata wanyu wake na ngofu akauga makauga na no ndiramenyire arafu akona video iria wekaga akauga atiriri nakuja no iguaga kiuga video ini no iguaga kiuga kire-ini
ndugu no gutuconora TV
tutare agiago tugweta na content muiritu ucio
kidengeingira ndengiria
but me for me my stand is agikone tuoka kwanyu make an effort okay gwitu not enu atene tuoka kwanyu honestly fion ne tuoka kiama kwanyu inyuothe murari ku ne thothe turari ku but when it comes to gwitu ati anga mamu itu anga ne gwite anga miaka ya 1960 ati anga ne gwite horo wa mamu wanyu nina mamu wanyu turengiranira ku Nimuke kiama.
And then sijui mbona mabagia kuingiria tondu toru. Nitondete toru mioru.
Mamu anyu anga niagwithetie gaburu ga gutaha mai.
Mamu anyu ni murogi andu. Ndukariwa tirere. Seriously agioka kwanyu ndari murogi. Tondu inyeru ni muroka gwitore ni ria kumuroga.
Anga na susu wanyu ugite, anga ni kwari mugambo.
You know, I hate those people. Aria ma pointaga fingers mundu akabia kugatirire ucio tigana ki ucio ni murogi wamenyeire ko. You know, it takes two to tangle. If I'm a witch, there's somewhere we were practicing witchcraft.
Andu tose manito gecoka thutha uguo murango-ini
niguo tumenyane.
And then ona kindu rigagwo ni atiriri ni mani murogi. Nduke ndagika icio cia kiama we uriki winuke.
Onako ndurenda kuria nduke.
Onako ndukuingira nyumba ri ukawonwo.
True.
Because you can't keep on ati we whatever you expect na niguriri kiuria na niguriri ugo rucini tugiuka. We uria kureka we uria urekwo ri akana uria ureka mundu ri, would you want to reciprocate, how would you feel? Ama how would you even react to it? No kariganira andu makauga angane oko ndoka kiama tona kutiga gutidogi gwate anga tu form WhatsApp group yake andu kai tuthikane tuinoke tucoke mariba kuria mundu amenyerete. Exactly.
Another thing I wish I knew Ndarikia Thukuru ri kana university ama whatever ni ku let go. I wish I knew how beautiful like they beautify the how beautiful letting go is. Ando hagutinda gwakwamiriire hau ate now you cannot even be able to make friends tondu andu aria mwathomaga nao mwakirikiria. You know, kuthoma na mundu miakena,
it's not a joke.
I wish Nindoi atiriri oguo tugire you can outgrow friends and you can let them go peacefully. Same like with relationships, you can opt to let go and let whatever is going to float na mbere na go flow, and you can let go of that cause agikorwo ndiri purpose irakuhe nginya muturire-ini waku. It's okay.
You see, ngirira iyo yako let go the times to get, you know, your heart tells you everything. Tell before okay, when a thina you have thought about before ukite kujira nigetha guteithiriria with ideas you already have an idea of what you can do to get yourself out there. Ugioka kundehera it's because you want to hear another opinion yenye iria wahurithania wone kiria wone miracle which one will work better. The same thing na letting go. Your heart ni koragwo irite hakiri ciaku, this thing is not working for me, and as long as we don't have a problem ona tungicemania nawe we go sit down, it's something turekie. There's no way it is written that atiaga you have to ati andu aria wale nao primary ati no ginya murekaniri nao ginya thaici. No, it doesn't work like that. And you see, the moment mama itu turajiraga atiriri maisha mahana mute, you see a tree starts down like this, then it branches. Nego branches ishire oyo ni athire UK ni athire US. The branches it takes you to different places. O ni athire ni ahikire, which is a very good thing, ni agire mwana ucio. O ni athire ni akire. You see, oria mutu rathio kiambatagari, it's the same way na life andu aria mwari now primary me can tell you for free. No jaragia, I don't even know kama there's someone we still talk about primary. Even one girl getagwo Terry, and she's a very good friend of mine, and I think she's the only friend uria jigete until now. And the others ona tugicemania thaici, I don't have a problem with them because that's how life was supposed to go. The only thing that was binding us was the classes. The moment we left the classes, niwe ugithia ngao agithie cukuru iriko agithie cukuru iriko thaicio na tungicemania na maugia nga kwina get together kana kwina nduri, I'll still go. Dina thina now. There's not gutie mundu tumire tuhitanetie, gutie mundu tumire tumenanite, and that's the beauty of life. Tiltida to stakete tarure, you don't even feel it's draining. Mukururanio, how many years ago was that?
Tatara ugithia handu ati no twathoma nake ugaikaikara ni muthiria ngako uyu twathoma na ndirauga ni uru. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but ukoraga atiriri no ngururanio cia wana na mucene na muhahi, sorry to say so tondu ariri uyu mundu ri you have nothing in common no riu ri muthiago handu haria kiria mucene ori
niho mukirire
ina wa binding together niguo muone kindu gia kwaria tondu wakora ni ta course ri you did a different course
very different
you did a different course you live in different cities Nairobi uyu ngenyiri no riu haria hagira mucene
niho turabi gwithuko gucarania
tumenyage ni iriku iraria ing'ani aturaga ku eka
ang'ani ori
ni uramuonire yeah it's not worth it.
I feel people the beauty of letting go. I don't have a problem
beauty in letting go, by the way.
I don't have a problem with you don't have a problem with me na twashemania we are good
yeah
and life continues the same way na campus and do igana campus waragia now
where
apart from me
oh I have charity acha ni ku include definitely because twakiriona there is you there is charity aria twathomana the same class you charity there is Pauline
like you still have like conversation that you can say hey, we had a very deep conversation with this person
Pauline nitugeithanagia once in a while so sitam ndekendige kubuka exclude Juliet tutia ndio neke ndirona no acio is there someone else I don't know
and
bisheo ndirathera
kirathi kiu menye twambitie andu anga 49 then we finished at 25 so out of 25 people you talk to 2 people
we waragia na yana
omwe
Fio ni omwe
wallahi
na be honest
no gay who
irigithania hakiri icio wega fio
who out of the 25 people
yeah
guy I think Noema honestly
come on tiga
then I have the numbers the numbers yao some of them not most of them some of them the numbers yao and it's not a flex that atiaganiniaga it's not a flex that nitwekiri ateti atibia
de koragwo erekeria ogwo wauga de koragwo ati ni kumena uramenire mundu kana ukona totarenda kumwereria ati tondu ekaga ni unaona ku let go you don't have to force anything if the conversation is not flowing well that's okay
true dia no mundu no ageciria ati it's a flex rwanda maida kuonania no it's not a flex because they are nini I feel like they are line of
they took different
paths in life and whatever my nini you see friendship ikoragwo na alignment you see like let me use you for me and you we have a certain alignment that no feel like at the moment you're talking to this person you're like this person is going with whatever I would want to do.
That alignment we have.
We have an alignment of we have like common goals. You see, like there are things like, for example, there are goals you want to achieve in 5 years, and whatever I tell you I want to achieve in 5 years, they are kind of
close.
Yeah, you want to go to this country in as much as I don't want to go to your country. At a mimi there's a country I want to go to. You know, there's a kind of how you feel your life is. At a mimi I feel
at least we have something in common.
Exactly.
A certain thing we want to achieve.
And we have a same foundation. Yeah. Nice. But when I talk to whenever I talk to, maybe you talk to the other people and they are like,
kai na ukienda kuuliwa huko.
Exactly.
Anyway, ndari wa Muthingi TV. Tafarira niko inekereria turaininekereria no ririkane next weekend on Saturday we'll still be here same time same place ni getwa bilanya gothie till next weekend bye bye.
Aya ni geteka kairetu kama thako the sports girl mundu gwitwo wa boy wa Jau ndikiwe we ukoragwo keria na andu igana by the way andu aria mwako mugithama nao na ti kindu kana hihi timu ĩyo kana ke but if you are not aligning then you find the people who are you aligning na mutorire uthonge nginyagia weekend yokete ngure ngai wa muya kurathime akwende na akuige ni ngĩkwĩre ngai njega
nyogo tumite theke